We all know that daylighting is the bomb when it comes to lighting up our homes, offices, schools, and hospitals. But don't go getting blinded by the light just yet. When it comes to daylighting, we need to consider a few things to make sure we are not left in the dark. First up, we need to think about levels and uniformity. Daylight can be a bit moody, and when it flows in through side windows, it can create a unique lighting pattern that can make or break the ambience. We want to make sure we've got enough light and that it's distributed evenly throughout the space. Unless you're running a factory or a shop, in which case electric lighting might be the way to glow. Now, the quality of daylight is measured by the daylight factor, which takes into account both the amount of light and how evenly it's spread out. But let's not forget, the further away from a window, the less light you get, which means we may need some backup lighting in larger spaces. Enter the skylight. This super cool roof light can flood a space with glorious light, and if it's designed well, it can be perfectly uniform. But beware, if we don't think about things like solar heat gain and glare, we might be dealing with a hot mess. So let's make sure we choose the right glazing material and shading devices to keep us cool and prevent any sun-burned retinas.